Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the exercise problems. What we learned in the previous class? In a previous class we have learned the multiplication of the decimal fractions. It has three types. The first one of the type is multiplication of the fraction, multiplication of the decimal by a 10, 100, thousands, and second one of that multiplication of a decimal by a whole number, and third one is the multiplication of a decimal by another decimal. I hope everyone has understood that concept. Now move to the exercise problems. Okay, exercise 4.1. Already we have completed the first problem. Okay, I gave the homework. Okay, now see the second problem. Okay, find the product of the following. The first one is homework. Now do the D problem. Okay, A, B, C homework. Now do the D problem. 49.25 into 25. Okay, so how do you do? Not consider the decimal point. Not consider the decimal point. So what is that value? 4925 by 25. Multiply. 5 5s are. So everyone learn well all the tables. Up to 12 tables. Okay, at least a 12 table. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Remaining 1, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 1, 46, so remaining 4, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4, 24, and next multiplied by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Add 5, 2, 11, 5, 13, 12. Okay, so here, what is that value? 4925 multiplied by 25. What we get? 1,23,125. Okay. Now we want the decimal place. Decimal value of 49.25 into 25. The decimal value multiplied by the whole number. So after the decimal point, how many places are there? 2 decimal places. So the decimal point shifted from the which side? From the right side. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So 1, 2. So answer is 1231.25. Okay, and next one of that E problem. $19.84 into 27. This is a question. Okay, this is a question. Find the product. So solution. First, not consider the decimal points. Okay, so what we get? 1984 by 27 by 27. 7 4s are 28. 7 8s are 56. 58. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 5 68. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6 13. Okay, now multiply the next number by 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 1. 9 2s are 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. Remaining 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Add the values. So 8 6 6 7 plus 8 15. 1 13. So 5. So 53,568. 53,568. What is that value? The value of 1984 into 27 is equal to 53,568. 568. Okay, so 19 point. What is the answer? 19.4 into 27. So after the decimal point, how many decimals are there? 2 decimals. So decimal point shifted from the right side. So 1 2. So 535.68 is the answer for this problem. Okay, do you understand this concept? I hope you all understood. Move to the next one of the question. Third problem. Now see the third one. Find the product of the following. Okay, find the product of the following. First one, A problem. 3.6 into 0.5. Okay, and B 1.2. So B, write it here. Okay, B is smallest one, and 1.2 into 1.2, and E problem 4.21 into 7.25. F 12.23 into 6.3. Okay, let's complete these 4 problems. Solution. So as usual, not consider the decimal point. So normal multiplication. 36 5s are 5 6 are 33. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 18. Okay, so here 36 into 5 is equal to 180. Now we want to find out the value of 3.6 into 0.5. Is it? So what is that value? The decimal points after the how many decimals? Decimal point after how many decimals are there? First one having 1 and second one also having 1. So total number of the decimal places are 2. So the decimal point shifted from the right side. Shifted from the right side. 1 2. Okay. So answer is 1.80. 1.80. And next one of that. Not consider the decimal point. As usual, multiplication. 12 12s are already you know that 144. Right? 2 2s are 4. 2 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 1. So 144. Here 12 into 12 is equal to 144. We have need 1.2 into 1.2. So how many decimal places after the decimal point? From first number 1, second number 1. So total number of the decimal places are 2. Total number of the decimal places are 2. So shifted the decimal point from the right side 1, 2 places. 2. So 1.44. Okay. Now see the next one of that. As usual, not consider the decimal point. Multiplication of 421 by 725. Multiply. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 7 4s are 28 plus 1 29. 5 2 5 plus 7 12. 1 12 plus 3 15. The product of 421 into 725 is equal to, what is that value? 3,05,225. Okay, so how many decimal places after the decimal point? From first number 2 and from the second number 2. So total number of decimal places are 4. Total number of the decimal places are 4. So therefore, the 4.21 into 7.25 is equal to the decimal point shifted from the right side of the decimal 4 places. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 30.5225. How can you read? 30.5225. That's it. And next one of the problem. Not consider the decimal point. So 1223 by 63. Now multiply 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 6 3s are 18. 1. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Add the values 9, 14, 10, 7, 7. The product of 1223 into 63 is equal to 77,049. Okay. So how many decimal places after the decimal point in the first number? 2. In the second number having 1 decimals. Total number of decimal places are 3. Total number of the decimal places are 3. So the decimal point shifted from the right side of the number. Okay. So how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So answer is 12.23 into 6.3 is equal to 77.049. That's it. Okay. And next one of that formula. Sorry. Problem. I problem. 19.84 into 27.9. J 0.235 into 4.8 m 0.427 into 23.5 and n 3.5 into 1.15 into 2.2 the first one I problem. Okay, solution. Now consider the decimal point. So what is that number? 1984 by 279. As usual multiplication. 9 4s are 36. 9 8s are 72. 75. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 7 88. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 8 17. Okay, and next 7 4s are 28. 7 7s are 56. 58. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 5 68. 7 1s are 7 plus 6 13. And next one, 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 19. Remaining 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 6 13. 24 plus 1 25. 2 10 17 23. 2 15. 9,984 into 279 is equal to 5,53,536. So we have need which number? 19.84 into 27.9. So how many decimal places after the decimal point in the first number? 2. And then second one of that 1. So total number of decimal places are 3. Total number of the decimal places are 3. So the decimal point shifted from the right side to how many decimal points? Places. 3 decimal places. So decimal places shifted from 1 to 3. So answer is 553.536. 536. Now see the next one. Solution 235 48. Okay. 8 5s are 44. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. Remaining 2 only. Okay. So 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. Okay. So next one 5 4s are 20. 2 12 plus 2 14 and 9. Okay. Now added 12 11. Okay. The product of 235 into 48 is equal to 11,218. So how many decimal places after the decimal point? In the from the first number 3, second number 1. So total number of decimal places are 4. Total number of the decimal places are 4. Okay. So the decimal point moved from the right side of the number. Okay, so 0.235 into 4.8 is equal to how many decimal places? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1.128. 0 is not valid after the decimal point. Okay, and next one, not consider the decimal point. And what is that value? 427 by 235. Multiply these two numbers. 7 5s are 35. 3. 7 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Remaining 1. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 4s are 12. And next one of the number, 2 table. 2 7s are 14. Remaining 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 4s are 8. Now added 5, 4, 12, 13, 10, 10. Okay, the number here, the number 427 into 235 equal to what we get? 1,345. 1,345. So at the decimal point, how many decimal places in the first number? 3 decimal numbers, and second number having only 1 decimal place. So total number of decimal places is 4. So the decimal point shifted from the right side 0.427 into 23.5 is equal to how many places? 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 10.0345. Okay, the answer is 10.0345. Okay, and last one of the problem. Here 3 numbers are given. Okay, so in a previous problem we have multiplied the 2 decimal numbers. Here 3 decimal numbers are given. So first we have multiply any 2 numbers first. After multiply the remaining one, finally you have put the decimal as usual. Okay, so see, the first we have considered the first 2 decimal numbers. 35. Okay, I have write the largest number as first. Okay, after write the next one of the smallest number as 35. Okay, so now multiply these numbers. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, and 5 1s are 5. And again 3 table. 3 5s are 15. 1 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 3. So 5 12, 6 plus 4, 10. So 4025. After multiply the 22. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so 0, 2 4s are 8. The both having the same digits, so we get the same number in this also. Okay, now added 0, 5 5 8 8. Okay, the product of 335 into 115 into 22 is equal to 88,550. Okay, now how many decimal places after the decimal point? In the first one 1 decimal, in second one 2 decimal, and a third number 1 decimal. So total number of decimal places are 4. Total number of the decimal places are 4. So the decimal point shifted from the right side of the 4 decimals. So 3.5 into 1.15 into 2.2 is equal to 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8.855. 0 is not valid after the decimal point of the right side. Okay. So the answer is 8.855. Okay. I hope you all understood that concept. Again, exercise problems. I will give the homework on that side. F. And third one, C, D, G, H, K, L, O, P. I have completed 8 problems in third subdivision, and 8 problems are give the homework also. Okay. So everyone should complete the homework and send it to the Joho app. Thank you, students.